cats are acting a little weird. Have they eaten?
Can you turn that off? I didn't put any makeup on or anything. It won't look that good, so.
Sorry.
Can you turn that off so we can eat this?
Okay, this might get a million hits.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
No. Hey! Hey! So?
That was so good, honey. Here, let's give some to the kitties. Bucket! Oh my god, babe. Bucket! Bucket! Go in the bathtub with it.
What?
I don't want him to choke on the bone.
Baby, I don't want you to get hurt. This is silly.
No, look at him. He's a fucking... Oh my god, he's fucking crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Alright, drop the steak bucket. We're having an intervention. Okay, there you go.
Look, let's have this fluffernutter sandwich and call it a night.